Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer TRX from Bitmart to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you moving your Tron tokens smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need an active account on both Bitmart and Coinbase, with TRX tokens in your Bitmart wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. TRX runs on the Tron blockchain, so ensure Coinbase is set up for that. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Alright, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your TRX balance. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually right there. Step 2. Select TRX as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum limits and fees. Now, the crucial part. Paste in your Coinbase wallet address. To get this, log into Coinbase, go to your wallet, and copy the TRX deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes. Step 3. Review the details. Double-check the amount, address, and network. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll probably need to enter a verification code from your email or auth app. Once submitted, Bitmart will process the withdrawal, which might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, hop over to Coinbase and check your wallet. You should see the TRX arriving soon. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit and keep an eye on your transaction history on both platforms. There you have it, folks. Transferring TRX from Bitmart to Coinbase in 2025 is straightforward with these steps. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always stay safe and informed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.